It's a sunny day in the garden and Lego Man is ready for an adventure. Lego Man is going to climb the doomed washing line. Up he goes, higher and higher. In fact, he defies gravity. And suddenly he reaches the top of the washing line. Oh, nearly there, Lego Man. Oh, one big jump. Oh no! Lego Man's string has snapped and it's rushing away from him. Now he's trapped with no way down from the top of the washing line. His last chance is to come down by parachute. Luckily, there's 3 choices held at the top of the washing line. Should he use parachute A, B, or C? Which one is safely going to get him back to the ground? For today's experiment, you're going to need a Lego person, just like this one. Mine has got a very sturdy crash helmet on, just to make sure that there is no Lego people harmed in this experiment. You're also going to need a wire or some string. This is just a wire tie that I've got from the garden, but you could use one that is on bread bags or anything like that. Also, you're going to need some string like this. You need 2 pieces of string the same length, and then each one you're going to fold in half and put a knot in the bottom. So we've just cut a length of string, folded it in half, looped it through to make a knot, and then we've got 2 looped pieces of string that are the same length. You're also going to need some kitchen towel. You're going to need 4 sheets of kitchen towel. So the first thing we need to do is to prepare our Lego person for their parachute experience. So we need to make sure that we take our wire, wrap it around the front of the Lego person, and then we're going to just twist it around the back so that it's nice and secure. I'll probably do an extra twist just to make sure it doesn't come off. Then we're going to fold up one section and fold it back down to make a loop. And we're going to do the same on the other side so that he's got 2 loops, or she's got 2 loops on the back, just like this. And this is going to allow us to hook him or her onto our parachute. To make parachute A, you're going to need 1 piece of kitchen towel. And for this one, you're going to need to fold it in half, straight down the middle, just like this. So matching up the corners and striking a line down the middle. Then with a pair of scissors, you will need to cut all the way along this line so that you are left with a piece just like this. So this is half a size of kitchen towel. Then we're going to put 2 holes in each end. So 1 hole here and 1 hole here. To do that, I've just used a pair of scissors and snipped a small hole. With our pieces of string that we had earlier, I'm now going to thread them through the hole so that I end up with the knot at the top and the bottom string threaded through, just like this. That will stop the whole of the string going through, and then the same on the other side. So through the hole and pull. And that's going to be our basic parachute with straps to connect to our Lego person. And they're going to connect on the hooks that were on his back. There goes the first one, the second hook, and that parachute is now ready for testing. For parachute B, you're going to need 1 piece of kitchen towel, just like this one. We're going to use the whole piece this time, and we need to put a hole on one corner and a hole in the opposite corner like that. So just use your pair of scissors, got a tiny hole in those 2 places, ready to thread your strings through. When you've made your holes, then take your strings that you used on your previous parachute and thread them carefully through the hole so that the knot is left on the top and that the string would be in the bottom. Do the same on the other corner. thread the string through the hole. Till the knot is stuck. When your parachute looks like this, it will be ready to attach to the bottom of your Lego man. So with the strings, you'll want to attach those to our Lego person, like that, and then they are again ready for a parachute flight. And for the final parachute, parachute C, you're going to need 2 pieces of kitchen towel just like this. Leave them connected. At one end, make a hole with the scissors, just like on the other 2 parachutes. Also, make a hole in the middle at the other end. Again, with your string, push it through the hole so that you're left with the knot at the top, just like that. And again, same at the other end. So through the hole, making the knot sit at the top, and then again you're ready to bend it and reveal your strings ready to attach to your Lego person. Why don't you try letting the parachutes go from different heights? What difference does that make? You could try flying parachutes of different shapes. Does a circle make a difference? Is a rectangle the best flyer? Does a square work? You could also try different materials. Have a look around your house for materials that you could use for your parachutes. Don't forget to email us and let us know what you find out. Good luck, scientists!